Deputy Collector and all the concerned authorities like WRD and all these other Mamledar and all of them, they have already had a joint meeting to check, for cleaning up the gutters, all that kind of things. So I'm calling a meeting on Monday. So just with all the authorized agencies and officers concerned.
So
Monday Apeta. So just to see what they have planned for the thing. So I need clarity from the collector, Mamledar, all of them, PWD, WRD, all the officers and engineers, what they have planned. I had a meeting with WRD minister today for my other works connected to the same thing, where we need, because of the overflow, where we need retaining walls, all that kind of things, bandaras, protection walls, all that kind of things.
फाटल्या दिसांनी जेन्ना WRD मिनिस्टरान ते 100 बंदारास करता म्हणल्यार बिनी तुमच्या हितून बतोड्या केल्या
अजून करू ना, but there is, he was just telling the, giving instructions to the engineers to go and do a proper survey and see where exactly how many bandaras will be required on which rivers, and which rivers don't have bandaras, or there are some small tributaries, how to recharge, how to rejuvenate some small tributaries, small rivers which are not perennial, how we can make them perennial,
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.